Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another video. I am here to share my projects for the Christmas All Year collaboration that I'm hosting. This is a year-long collaboration where myself and my other crafty friends, we come on every second Sunday of the month at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, and we share a Christmas themed project with all of you. The goal of this collab is to get a jump start on our Christmas crafting. So when Christmas rolls around, we will already be finished with all of our Christmas crafting. So there is a hashtag for this collaboration. If you would like to participate, I will leave it in the screen. All of the participants, links to their channels will be down in the description box. So make sure you check below to see all of the projects for today. Also, this is my submission for 3D Sundayz. This is a collaboration that I'm doing with my good friend Markeisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures here on YouTube. We will be coming on every other Sunday and post a 3D theme project. And on the days that 3D Sundayz fall on Christmas All Year, we'll be coming on at 10 a.m. But other than that, we'll be coming on at 6 p.m. All right, Central Standard Time. So let me share with you right quick what I created. But before I share my project, I want to share with you the products that I use to put them together. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video, to support my channel, subscribe, share, hit the notification, do all of those good things to support my channel. I'm also on Instagram at ScrapPassion01, so you can check me out over there as well. So let's get started. I played with this reverse confetti word die, and I used the word joy. I used this stamp set by the Stamp Market, and I used letters to Santa. I also used the cutting dies that come with that stamp set. I used the little envelope here from this Doris die set. And I also used this envelope from this die set. I didn't use, this is also a mailbox, so I may use this the next time. I played with this die set. I picked this up from eBay some time ago, and so I wanted to play with it. My goal is to pull out those dies that I have not played with. And I had recently saw this on eBay. And so I was going through my dies and I was like, oh, let me just play with this. And this is called the Mini Ice Box. This is a Biggs die. And then I pulled out this Retired die by Lori Whitlock. I purchased this also from eBay. And I love a lot of the older dies. And so I have a little list going of dies that are retired that I would like to pick up. And I've had this in my stash for quite some time. And I wanted to play with it. It was just, you know, sitting in my stash, and I'm trying to pull these things out. So this is called, it's a really long die here. It's called Box Mailbox. Okay, and this is by Lori Whitlock. Here is another die set that I had in my stash that I had not played with. And this is a Biggs Plus die. And this is called Big Tall Scallop Flap. It's the name right there. So I feel really, really accomplished to be pulling out dies that I haven't played with and putting them to good use. All right, so let me share my project with you. Here is my first project right here of the cute little mailbox. You can see there I have letters to Santa, and then I have the cute little envelopes with a little purple hard gemstone. And I love to do untraditional at times for Christmas. And this pattern right here came from a gift bag. And it was just sitting on my desk. And so I was just like, hey, let's pull it out and use it. And so here's the back of the mailbox. I put some of this fun tinsel here. I just really love to add texture to my projects. And then here's the little flag here for the mailbox. And I put a brad here. so that it can go up and down. And then here's the front of it. And then just like the example on the package, I put it on this little candlestick here. You know, and this can be used as a decorative piece for Christmas, or you can gift it because the top comes off. So it is functional. So the top just pops off like this, like that. And then you can see inside, it's a good size in here. It can be stuffed with goodies to give. So that is project number 1. And so let me get the second project. And here is project number 2, using that Bigs Plus die of that little bag with the flap. It has a scallop flap. And I use Velcro to keep the top down. I added one of these cute little nutcracker stickers, dimensional stickers that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And I wanted it to match the little mailbox so that it can be like a little gift set. And so I'm not going to open this up, but it is a good size. Inside, I just left it purple on the back because I got it all tied up already. So this goes together, and look how cute that looks. And so let me get project number 3. And this is how the cute little popsicle box turned out. I kept the design on the front very simple. I put this cute little die cut piece with the purple heart gemstone, and then I put the word joy, and I just tied it with a purple ribbon to go with everything else. And I used a real popsicle stick, and it just comes out like this. And goodies can be placed inside of here as well. So this is the cute little gift set that I put together in a purple theme. And I love this purple for Christmas. What do you guys think? It's something just a little different for Christmas. And that is my share for you guys today. Make sure you check out the other ladies and see what they have created. I do have playlists for both collabs, the Christmas All Year collaboration, as well as the 3D Sundayz collaboration. So make sure you check down below. I will leave a link so that you can watch the other videos and get caught up. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.